Okay, so kaugnay po ng pagbibigay natin ng coverages natin dito magaganap na first, it's not the first but the second annual Patu-Patu Festival ng Bayan ng Ballesteros in connection with po ng celebration ng ating kapistahan for the year 2009. Ito, all seated now, comfortably ang mga spectators na, a lot of them, napakarami po. We need an adding machine to compute kung ilan ang suma total ng mga nanonood for this very exciting na street dance competition to cap up and for the final and the first salvo nito nagaganap. It will be a 7-day activity starting today, and that this will go on. Andyan si Sir Tony, all smile, okay? Say Naranyaga Ballesteros, Sir Tony. Naranyaga Ballesteros, and to all of you Naranyaga Ballesteros, although makulimlim ang ating papawirin, no? But still we are enjoying, nag-enjoy po tayo, okay? That's how it feels, okay? At nakahanda na yung mga pwesto ng ating mga board of judges for the final showdown. Nandito na, ready. Samantala, eto, maganda ang palayo po ng hangin, ika nga sa Ilocano, no? At pupuntahan din natin yung other area na kung saan po makapagbigay po tayo ng mga live coverages dito. We are all ready for the final showdown. At ang location po natin, nasa harap po tayo ng newly constructed. Yes, this is the newly constructed na functional hall ng Bayan ng Ballesteros. And we do have, of course, yung mga personalities natin na involved po dito sa ongoing na street dance competition. Yeah, and all is well. Kumusta po kayo? Are you enjoying the day? Although it's very cool, you know? Cool na cool tayo ngayon. We have the municipal secretary yan, busy. Okay, si Dr. Amabel Duque is very much busy. I know you are enjoying, Doc. You are enjoying a lot of this, of what is really happening now, okay? We are doing a lot of coverages of this ongoing incident. Okay na okay kayo. Ayan ang tinatawag natin na patupat. Let me have it close shot of the patupat. This is the second annual Patupat Festival ng Bayan ng Ballesteros. Okay, ito po yung delicacy na nagbibigay katanyagan sa bayan ng Ballesteros. And we call this Patupat. So we now have the second annual Patupat Festival ng Bayan ng mga Superstars Ballesteros. Habang inantabayan pa natin yung other contingencies who will be fighting out, okay, tulad ng nai-announce sa atin kanina, ang first prize will be pegged at 50,000 pesos for the first prize, okay? And the second prize will receive 30,000 pesos, third prize 20,000 pesos, and fourth prize will be 10,000. All compliments of the local government unit of Bayan ng mga Superstars. Wow, a friend of ours. Kumusta? Same Naranyaga Ballesteros, Ma'am Jenny. Thank you so much. And to the rest, Naranyaga Ballesteros. Ginigidaw ba kayo? Siyempre. No, mainit. Pinapawisan nga ako, ha? Oh, hindi. Meron na ka ganun. Hindi ako ginigidaw. Okay, i-roll natin ang ating camera for the continuation ng ating live coverages po. Habang nagdadating pa rin po yung other contingencies, no? Nowhere to be found, malayo pa rin. Anyway, nandito na yung unang contingency. Pumapayagpag pa rin ang kanilang mga borloloy sa katawan. Oy, gutom na ako. Di pa ako nagbibirihan ng patupat. Oh, tingnan mo nga, close up ng patupat. Kagawad, ipakita mo nga para i-close up natin yung patupat na tinatawag natin, yung paboritong delicacy ng Ballesteros. Patupat out of Suman. This is the second annual Patupat Festival. Okay. Good. Pagbutihin niyo ang posing ninyo, ha. Baka may pasok natin dito sa YouTube, sa internet. Okay. Ito yung mga participants natin po. Ito na po si Sir Mar. Sir Mars, still worried? Worried ka? You are feeling comfortable?
Yeah.
Easy. Yung kalaban natin, walang binatbat. Okay, si Sir Mars, how does it feel to be are you enjoying yung first day natin?
Mega
super! Okay, you are in the link. Oh, si Kagawad, tanggalin mo yung sigarilyo, basta-basta sa lunat yan. Okay, there, you have them, ha? Hooray! Western Unit. Hep hep! Hep hep! Okay, thank you. Saan ba yung other... Uy, mga barangay officials. Kagawad, Kapitan de la Cruz. Basta ka. Naranyaga Ballesteros. And sampunan yung kasamaan. Kagawad, Kapitan Unini. Kumusta? Naranyaga Ballesteros and company. Okay po, enjoy na enjoy kayo ha. Kapitan, kumusta ka? Eva Blues.
Hello.
Say Naranyaga ba?
Naranyaga Ballesteros.
Rain, go away.
Okay, rain, go away.
Okay, at tignan natin sa kapaligiran natin. Uy, si Ma'am Badet. Naranyaga Ballesteros. Okay? Ay, habang uy, punta natin itong... Anong unit? Southern? Hep hep! Southern Unit! Hep hep! Southern Unit! Laban lang! Nandun si Ma'am! Nandun ang mga teachers! Another hep hep! Thank you! Southern Contingency. Okay. Viva!
Viva la viva!
Viva la viva! Bibang-bibo kayo? Okay lang. Another Naranyaga Ballesteros. Thank you. Thank you. Naranyaga Ballesteros, go! Thank you. And asan pa yung other? Once more, Naranyaga Ballesteros. Hoy, nabunggo kayo!
5, 6, 7, go!
Okay, thank you.